Google, as a search engine and a technology company, has undoubtedly had a significant impact on the way we access and process information. Here are some ways in which Google affects our brains. Information retrieval. Google has made accessing information incredibly convenient and efficient. We no longer need to rely solely on our memory or physical references like books to find answers. This easy access to a vast amount of information has changed how we think about knowledge and has become an external extension of our memory. Cognitive offloading. With the availability of instant information, we tend to rely on Google as an external memory storage device. This reliance can lead to cognitive offloading, where we don't make an effort to remember information but instead remember where to find it. As a result, our ability to retain certain types of information in our long-term memory may be diminished. Attention span and information overload. The ease of accessing information through Google can contribute to shorter attention spans. We are accustomed to quickly finding answers and may become less patient with lengthy or complex content. Additionally, the vast amount of information available can lead to information overload, where we struggle to filter and process the sheer volume of data. Shallow research and critical thinking. While Google provides a wealth of information, it can also promote shallow research habits. People may be more inclined to skim through search results or rely on the first few sources without thoroughly evaluating their credibility. This can impact critical thinking skills and lead to the spread of misinformation. Enhanced problem solving and learning. On the positive side, Google can facilitate problem solving and learning. It offers access to a variety of resources, including tutorials, guides, and educational materials. People can learn new skills, explore different topics, and find answers to complex questions, which can enhance their knowledge and understanding. Changes in memory processes. The availability of information through Google can impact the way we remember things. Since we can easily search for information, we may rely less on our own memory. This can lead to a shift from remembering specific details to remembering where to find the information when needed. Multitasking and divided attention. Google's presence and accessibility on various devices can contribute to multitasking behavior and divided attention. We may find ourselves switching between tasks, constantly checking notifications, or engaging in multiple activities simultaneously. This can affect our ability to concentrate and engage in deep, focused thinking. It is important to note that the impact of Google on our brains is not solely negative or positive. It depends on how we use it and how we balance our reliance on technology with other cognitive processes. While Google provides numerous benefits, it is essential to be aware of the potential challenges it poses and develop critical thinking skills to navigate the vast sea of information available online.